Hi everyone, today I wanted to do a quick video. It's not going to be ASMR, but it'll still be a good video. Today I'm doing an unboxing video and I'm going to open up this package. I'm not going to show you the address or anything, but I will show you the package. Oh, I also have a new poster. It was on sale. And it's a really big Marilyn Monroe poster. And I don't think the microphone is close enough to me. And also, I have the Joker poster, and they're right next to each other. Kind of reminded me of like Marilyn Manson a little bit, because he took something that society views as beautiful, Marilyn Monroe, and something society views as like not so beautiful, like Charles Manson. And he mixed the two, and is Marilyn Manson, and that reminds me of the Joker because even though we love Heath Ledger's, we don't think of the Joker as like a good person. He hurt a lot of people and terrorized a lot of people, while Marilyn Monroe is looked at as a very beautiful woman in society, and I thought that was interesting. My boyfriend was telling me about like Marilyn Manson, and I was like, oh, that makes sense, because I knew Charles Manson and Marilyn Manson, but I didn't, and Marilyn Monroe, but I just didn't know it was because of like the name, how society views their names and what they've done in this world. I'm going to do it like this, and I'm going to cover the address. Definitely made that mistake before. But here's the package, and I'm going to flip it upside down, like, or the other way around. I'm trying to not do as many ASMR videos because I do like ASMR, but I just want you guys to see different content. Thank you so much. On the, not the last video I posted, but the one before then, it got 92 views, and it's soon going to be 100, and I really appreciate it. I've never got that many views before. You guys know I'm not a big YouTuber yet. I only have a couple subscribers. But I'm appreciative of each and every one of you. Anyway, here's the box. Let's open it. Wonder if I can show you guys the box without showing you guys the address. Here we go. Alright. Alright. No address to worry about. It was on my floor and I totally forgot about vlogging it, so I'm going to do that now so I can actually see the contents inside. By the way, I haven't seen this yet since the first reactions video. Care package from New Jersey. Kylie, hope all is well. Sending you some snacks to share while you study. Love you. Bob, Jen, and all the kids. So, thank you so much if you're watching this video. Thank you so much. I'll send them a thank you card. They got me some organic dark chocolate mints. Some Rice Krispie treats. Some Nature Valley biscuits. Some Famous Amos, 2 of everything, which I love Famous Amos. I'm actually really excited to munch on these. Some snacks. Like in a bag, so I can just bring them to class and munch on them, which is perfect. Nature Valley sweet and salty nut bars. Crunchy granola bars. Some Quaker oatmeal, and almond biscuit. So once again, thank you so much, and thank you for watching. I'm going to put the box on the floor, and I'm actually going to do a quick mukbang. gonna eat one of the Famous Amos packages, and then I'll go grab lunch. I've been wanting chocolate and peanut butter. Like, there's like a smoothie you can get at Loyola. And I was thinking about getting it, but maybe once I eat the Famous Amos, then I won't feel the need to get the smoothie. I hope you guys are enjoying a snack with me, having something to eat. Whether it's breakfast, lunch, a snack, or dinner. I know that there are people who watch me who are not in the United States. He might be like England or in other countries, and the time zone isn't the same. And even within the United States, I'm in Baltimore right now, so it's 1:01. But for like my boyfriend back in Denver, it's 10:01 right now. So maybe he'll watch this and have lunch or something in a couple hours. But that'll be, by the time he's eating lunch, I'll be done with almost my last class of the day. So wherever you are, hope you're enjoying a snack with me or a meal with me. %, of your daily value of saturated fat just came from these Famous Amos. That's a lot. But I'm splurging right now. I'm gonna go throw this away. And I hope you guys enjoyed this mukbang. And I'll see you guys soon. Bye. Have a great day.